Still can't find my tripod, so I can't record this even though I've got a great place to put the tripod right there. Anyways, what I'm doing out here today is I'm making a repair underneath this weed tree thing. I think it's a giant weed and it's about 20 feet tall and the broken pipe is underneath it. It's either a 2.5 or 2-inch T, so let me get it opened up so we can take a look at it together. Let's take a close look at this before I dig it up. This isn't telecommunications, this is just somebody marking this area because the break is here, just to be clear. It's a Home Depot flag anyway. The break is on that pipe right there, and you can see at the tip of my finger, that's where the crack is on the T. This pipe travels through here, and there's the bottom of that tree, and it goes this direction. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Well, I think I found the culprit. At first, I thought it was the small root, but it's not, because that one didn't go very far. It's actually this one right behind it, and it travels underneath the pipe and all over the place. So this will be fun to cut out of our way. Let's see what I do here. All right, well, we got the first two primarily cut. Now the fun part, getting underneath there. After a few unsuccessful attempts, we have managed to extract the root from around the pipe. So that is the reason why this broke. The root was pushing up against the pipe and it snapped the T. So now that we've got this out of our way, we can clear this up a little bit more, clear up all ends of the pipe that we're gonna need to make connections on and make our repair. Here's our 2.5-inch main line excavated and ready for repair. Those are the wires traveling to the valves. That other 4-inch pipe down there, I'm not sure what it goes to, but it does travel out to the water here, so maybe it's a drain for something else. We're not even gonna touch that. We're gonna cut our pipe about here, here, and there, and put it back together. All right, we're back at it on this 2.5-inch mainline repair. I had to leave yesterday for another emergency, but we're back here today to get this put back together. Actually, we haven't even cut it out yet. It is cracked right there on the T, right about there. All right, I've got it cut out, and now I'm about to put my T in. Let me explain what I'm gonna do here because I don't have a tripod to show you. This is a heavy bar, also known as a Johnson bar. I'm gonna place it on this side of the pipe so that when I stick this into that fitting right there, I can pull my Johnson bar back and it will allow me to put this side into that pipe. That's how I'm gonna do that. All right, now that we got the T in place, the next thing we're gonna do is complete this section of